Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and to this video we're going to talk about how to hide likes and share counts in Instagram. So let's get started. Well, after getting the application, go to your profile by tap here. Then click into three line at the top right, scroll down and choose this option here, like and share counts. And just so you know, when you enable this option, you will hide the number of like and share on your post and reels from others. You also want to be able to see the number of like and share on posts from other content. You also want to be able to see the number of like and share on posts from other accounts. However, people can still see the name of those who like the post, but the total count will not be visible. Well, all you have to do to hide like and share counts, just turn on this option here. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.